Hello and welcome to another SonicWall video tutorial. My name is MG Sriramaya, Senior Tech Support Engineer, SonicWall. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Windows Enterprise Root CA certificate with client DPI-SSL. The advantage of using a Windows Enterprise Root CA certificate with client DPI-SSL instead of the default SonicWall DPI-SSL certificate is that Windows Root CA certificate is installed in the Windows Root Certificate Store of all domain members. Therefore, this certificate is trusted by any application that uses the Windows Root Certificate Store to form trust of a certificate chain. These are the steps we must configure to use a Windows Enterprise Root CA with client DPI-SSL. Export the Windows Enterprise Root CA certificate with its private key. Import the root CA into the SonicWall. Enable client DPI-SSL. Test the configuration. I am logged into a Windows Server 2008 server. Open the Microsoft Management Console. From the File menu drop-down, select Add Remove Snap-in. Select Certificates from the available snap-ins and click on Add. When prompted, select Computer Account and click on Next. In the next window, select Local Computer and click on Finish. In the console tree, click Certificates and select Trusted Root Certification Authorities. Click on Certificates. In the Details pane, select the root CA certificate which has a private key. Look for the root CA which has a key icon. Right-click and click on All Tasks and then Export. In the wizard, when asked whether to export the private key of the certificate, select the radio button to export the private key. The certificate and its private key will be exported in the PKCS12 format with an extension of PFX. Enter a password for the PFX file. This password is required when importing the certificate into the SonicWall. Enter a name for this file and complete the wizard. Let us now import the certificate into the SonicWall. I am logged into the management interface of the SonicWall and have navigated to the certificates page under System. Click on the Import button. Here, select Import a certificate with private key. Under Name, enter a name for the certificate. Under Password, enter the password set while exporting the certificate. Click on Browse and select the PFX file of the root CA certificate. Click on OK. Let us now configure client DPI-SSL. Go to the DPI-SSL Client SSL page. Under Certificate Resigning Authority, select the Windows Root CA certificate. Enable the checkbox Enable SSL Client Inspection. Click on Accept at the top to save the changes. The appliance must be rebooted for the settings to take effect. Let us now test the configuration. I have logged into a Windows domain PC. I open Internet Explorer and go to an HTTPS website. You can see the page has seamlessly loaded. Click on the padlock security icon. Here you can see the server certificate has been re-signed by the Windows Root CA certificate. Browsers like Chrome and Opera also will not give any certificate errors because they use a Windows Root Certificate Store. But Mozilla Firefox, on the other hand, uses its own certificate store. Therefore, as you can see, the browser will generate a certificate error or will fail to load. To avoid this, we must import the Windows Root CA certificate into the certificate store of Firefox. Let us first export the Windows Root CA certificate from the Windows Root Certificate Store. Open the Microsoft Management Console. Open the Certificate Snap-in. Click on the Trusted Root Certification Authorities and then click on Certificates. And now right-click on the root CA and click on All Tasks and then Export. Go through the wizard and save the root CA file. This time we are not required to export the private key. The CA certificate will be saved with a CER extension. Back in Firefox, click on Tools and then click on Options. In the Certificate tab, click on View Certificates. Click on Import to import the Windows Root CA certificate file which we have saved. Restart the browser and try to access an HTTPS website. You can see that it has now loaded the page without any certificate errors. This concludes this video on how to use a Windows Enterprise Root CA certificate with client DPI-SSL. Thank you for watching this video. To learn more about Dell SonicWall security products, visit dellsoftware.com/solutions/network-security. For more video tutorials, visit dellsoftware.com/support.